Hello and welcome from Hilton Maidstone. Maidstone is a town about 50 kilometers southeast of London and is home to a Hilton hotel. Probably you were blinded by the pictures of the facade and thought it would be a great idea to start our trip through England here. Anyway, the Hilton Maidstone with its 146 rooms opened in 1992 and was renovated in 2005. And yes, you see that unfortunately. We'll come back later to this point. But let's concentrate on the building first. It is a very long building since there is probably plenty of space here, and you can train for a marathon by running around the building several times. The lobby area is very large and looks nice. There is a restaurant to the left where you also have breakfast, and in the evening you could have dinner there. Dinner was also available in the bar straight ahead. But before we have a look at the obligatory burger and some other dishes, we first go into the sunny courtyard. In the courtyard you can sit outside and enjoy a drink or two. It's a pleasant atmosphere out there. When selecting the room on the Hilton app for check-in, we made the mistake to take a room on the outside of the building. We thought that the view might be better. Since you are basically even outside of the town, just next to a shopping center and surrounded by parking slots, the view is not that spectacular to the outside. Therefore, a view to the courtyard is definitely the better choice here. We received a voucher for 2 drinks here, and the food was okay. After such a food, you definitely need to walk around. Therefore, we selected our room to be at the other end of the building, directly next to the swimming pool area, by the way. And damn it, that's a long walk. When entering the room, you are directly in front of the bathroom. So we start our tour directly here. We better not go into details, otherwise we would see the strong stains around the sink drain, and we prefer to focus on the positive aspects. Talking about positive aspects, the bathtub had some kind of jacuzzi function. But also here we prefer not to go into details so as to not ruin our mood. But just so much, we have not tried the jacuzzi. Going to the main room, we see the next highlight. Instead of an air condition, this hotel provides a fan. And if one is not enough, you may find another one in the wardrobe. By the way, we received an upgrade to the highest room category here, the King Deluxe Room. Okay, leaving away the 3 room categories with 2 beds, there is only one category below, the Queen Guest Room, which we booked, and based on the pictures, I cannot tell what the word deluxe might mean in this context. Also, after being in this room, I had to get out my old Oxford dictionary and double-check the meaning of the word deluxe. Okay, no offense here. We really appreciate traditional hotels. However, is it really necessary to have a sink with heavy soiling or curtains which look like they've been in the washing machine 1 decade ago? I'm sure they can do better than that. A few details would directly raise the value of this hotel, and it's a pity, since the building looks nice from outside and also from the inside. We even received 2 bottles of water, by the way. Finally, a short view into the pool area and some images of the breakfast. Hot meals were served a la carte, and cold cuts and fruits were available in a buffet. For the Hilton Maidstone, we award 3 out of 5 diamonds. Please renovate the rooms. See you out there. You're Alex from GajaDreams.